This is Ramita. Ramita is a beautiful young lady. She is about 2 years old. We're not sure what she is. She's some sort of a fox terrier mix, or who knows. But she's a beautiful girl, mostly white, with wonderful brown markings. She definitely likes playing. Ramita, what's this? Ramita, want the ball? Good girl. Good girl, Ramita. Good girl. Ramita, come here. Can you sit? What a good girl. I'm concentrating on this ball. I have complete concentration. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, off we go. Ramita would be a wonderful dog for someone who wanted an athletic dog to jog with. She's wonderful on a leash and she's very attentive. Ramita is a spirited girl, but she is very good on a leash. She's a little distracted by that barking dog, but she's paying attention to Gary. I know, Ramita. You love going out for a walk.
Ramita, sit. Good girl.
Good girl.
Okay. Sit. Good girl.
Oh, very smart.
Down.
Very smart.
Oh boy. You have one of those coats. You have one of those coats. Good girl. Good girl.
Ramita, what do you think about kitties? What do you think about kitties? Huh? They're right in there. See all those little kitties? I don't know. I'm kind of interested, but I'm not overly interested. I can't say whether Ramita would be good in a cat household, but she certainly is not smushed up to the glass. See, we have cats all around us right now. And she's not paying any attention.